Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thanks for coming by today to see me pack up this swap that I'm sending out. And I always forget to film my outgoing swap, so even though some of it's all wrapped up, I just wanted to show it to you anyway. So I'm in a swap. I believe it's called the Sparkle and Bling Swap, hosted by Ursala at Arctic Glam. And so I signed up for it. It was a while back, and it only had two requirements, so I figured I could handle it. And then my partner ended up being Liana from It's a Deal. So anyway, I'll show you the two requirements that we had. So I'm just putting some black shred in the bottom of this on top of this silver tissue paper, and I often see Liana show how she packs up her swaps, and I love seeing that. So anyway, this doesn't have anything to do with the swap, but I'm sending her this gingerbread apron that I have. She does her Christmas decor in her kitchen in gingerbreads, and I think she'll enjoy wearing the apron next Christmas when she's baking cookies, or even at Thanksgiving. So I also wanted to put in the bottom of here some of these, before I go any further, some of these sparkly diamonds that I have. Lori had sent me these in a Halloween box that she sent me. So I'm going to send a bunch of these to Liana. They'll probably end up at the bottom of the box by the time it gets to California. But anyway, there's the apron, and this wasn't part of it, but I did make her this little embellishment book, and there's a snowman on front, and I'm putting it in this bag here. It looks like it has snowballs in it. So we will put this right over there. I made Liana these embellishments, and these are some of the white wooden fences here, and I just put snowmen on the fences. They're on some cardstock with some silver ribbon tulle back there, and then I had these little wreaths. I put some silver bows on them, and I sparkled them up with glitter paste. So we will put that something like that. And this is one of the big gingerbreads that I made, and I made this one pink for Liana, and it actually says Snow Day there, and it has a little charm on here that spells out snow, and her little shovel has diamond dust on the bottom there. So I know she really likes gingerbread. We'll stick that in there. This is, one of the requirements was an embellishment box. So I made a sleeve to go on this one. And inside I have filled it with all kinds of sparkly beads and charms and things like that. And I made a dangle on the side here, so you can pull this out of the sleeve with it. And I made her an angel charm on there. There's a big holographic snowflake charm there, and I put some wire wrap beads on there, and these I had a lot of fun making. And our snowman has a little pile of snowballs here ready to throw. And those are the dewdrops from Carrie. And I blinged them up with some diamond dust. So this is some embroidery thread here. And this is also already in its package, but this is what it looks like. And Liana likes using thread behind her embellishments. I know she usually uses gold, but here's some sparkly embroidery thread that she can use. So I put it in this little bag here, and that's one of the hidden paper clips that I made. So I didn't do anything to the bag. She can reuse the bag if she wants. In this box here, which I wrapped in silver tulle, are some of these little resin dresses that I got from Temu. So I put about 5 of them in Liana's box there. And originally these were going to be little dresses for my gorgeous girls. And they do fit the gorgeous girl perfectly, but I made her own dress there. So I'm going to put that over there. And finally, oh, not finally. Where is that? Oh, I have a little bottle here that I decorated. And in here are some clay bits, and there are penguins and snowballs and snowflakes and some blue sprinkles in there. And I did find this blingy pen here, so I'm gonna put that in there also. And the last thing that was a requirement is in this box that I decorated here. And this embellishment here, Carrie at Double Click Connect made for me last year in my embellishment challenge. And I just put it on there with some removable sticky dots so that Liana can take it off of there and use it if she wants. But in here is the other requirement. We had to make a beaded item. So this is the beaded pen that I made for her. And that was very easy to make. Temu did all the work with all this sparkly silver bling. And I just added these 3 beads here. And this pokey tool here is actually the very first pokey tool that I ever made, and I've had it in my stash all this time. And I just made a dangle to go on the top with some wire wrap beads and some charms. There's a snowflake and a candy cane. There's a pair of mittens and some silver bells there. So that's going in there. And we'll close that up. I think I'll put that down the bottom and move this over here. There. And then I have this tissue paper that someone sent me something in, and I've been carefully saving it for just such an occasion like this. And I'm going to tuck that in. We're going to add some more of oh, I almost forgot. This is the card that I made, but I took some help from someone that made me this beautiful shaker embellishment with this truck on here, and I just put that sentiment on there, candy cane wishes. And we're gonna, I already wrote a note in there to Liana, so we'll put that just like that. And thank you to Lori at peteypiedesigns for these beautiful diamonds here. I'm going to add those. I told you I was saving them. And this isn't even all of them. She sent me like a whole bag of them that I saved. So thanks for coming by, guys, to see this. And you can go watch Liana when she posts her video. And I will be posting the video showing what Liana sent me to. So I hope you'll come by and see that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with something new.